I wanted to create a zipper pouch that had the ability to hold like credit cards, cash, a chapstick maybe, and have a little D-ring on it where you could attach your keychain, because I need something smaller to take with me just when I like run into the store. So here's what I came up with. Stack that interfacing right on top of the back of your main piece. I usually do the fusible fleece and then put the woven on top of it and just iron it down really well. Attach your zipper tabs to the end of each of your zipper sides and then lay the zipper face down on your main fabric. Put the lining on the other side and make a little zipper sandwich. Then you'll sew across the top at usually around like a 3/8 inch seam allowance, just right along those zipper teeth. You'll have to raise your presser foot halfway if you don't use your zipper foot and zip that backwards so that your tab is out of the way to finish your stitch. Then lower it back down and keep going. Once you've completed this step, flip it out and then sew a nice top stitch along the top. This will hold the lining down and it also makes it look really pretty. Once you've completed that, do the entire process again on the other side of your zipper. Then grab your D-ring tab and you're going to fold both sides in along the long edge and fold it in half so the raw edges are hidden. Top stitch on both sides and put your D-ring on there. Then lay it on just your main fabric on one side, maybe 1.5 inches down from the zipper, and baste it there. The last step is to just sew the perimeter of the bag and close it up. So we're going to leave about a 4-inch opening along the two lining pieces so that we have a place to turn it when we're done. I'm still using my 3/8 inch seam allowance on this and sewing around everything except the little area on the lining where I will eventually turn it. Once you've completed that, trim up your corners and then you're ready to flip the bag right side out. And once you've done that, make sure you sew a little edge stitch along the two lining pieces to close up that hole. And then you'll have completed a cute little zipper pouch. These are perfect stocking stuffers, fun little gifts to give, or nice to just have for yourself if you need a little tiny bag to carry a few items. Here's the materials list if you want to make it yourself, and if you'd like to see a live sew along, please drop a comment and I will make it happen.